Hello everybody, this is Seema Modi. We shall continue with our chapter Political Parties, National Parties of India. We shall discuss about the remaining national political parties. Communist Party of India, CPI. This party was formed in 1925. The party symbol is ear of corn and sickle. Now, the party was formed in 1925. However, in 1934, the party was banned by the British government and all its leaders were taken prisoners. During the Second World War, when Russia joined the war in favor of England and the Communist Party of India also started supporting the British government, the ban on the party was lifted in 1943. The party made great progress after India's independence. In 1957, it was able to form the first non-Congress government in Kerala. It believes in Marxism, Leninism, and supports secularism and democracy. It is against the policy of liberalization, globalization, and privatization. It accepts parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interests of the working class, farmers, and the poor. In the field of agriculture, the CPI will stand for the abolition of the zamindari system and acquisition of surplus land without giving any compensation, providing irrigation facilities and reduction of water rates, fixing proper wages for farm laborers. Communist Party of India, Marxist. CPI was formed in 1964 as a result of the division in the CPI. The symbol is sickle, hammer, and a star. It also believes in Marxism, Leninism, and supports socialism, secularism, and democracy. The party is critical of the economic policies that allows the free flow of foreign capital and goods in the country. They want improvement in the lot of workers and peasants. Minimum wages for workers should be fixed and they should be given trade union rights. Nationalization of all foreign capital and trade. Retention of more powers for the states in the economic and political spheres and empower the National Development Council with sufficient powers. Adoption of an independent and non-aligned foreign policy which defends India from imperialist pressures and revival of the non-aligned movement on a new basis. It was in power in West Bengal for 34 years. Indian National Congress, INC. Indian National Congress is the oldest political party in India. It was founded in 1885 by A.O. Hume, a retired British ICS officer. ICS, that is the Indian Civil Service, previously known as the Imperial Civil Service. And it was the elite higher civil service of the British Empire in British India during British rule in the period between 1858 and 1947. This party played an important role in India's struggle for freedom, and it was mainly due to its efforts that India got independence in 1947. It believes in upholding democracy socialism and secularism. After independence, the power was transferred to the Congress. Jawaharlal Nehru led the Congress party and its government until his death in 1964. In 1969, there was a split in the Congress party. Congress I, that is, led by Indira Gandhi, ruled the country up to 1977. Between 1977 to 1980, Morarji Desai of Janata Party was the Prime Minister. In the general elections held in 1980, the Congress Party, Indira, that is Congress I, led by Srimati Indira Gandhi, again came to power. After the assassination of Indira Gandhi in 1984, Rajiv Gandhi became the leader of Congress I. The Congress I again won the elections held in 1985 and Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India. In the general elections held in 1991, although the Congress I failed to get an absolute majority in the Lok Sabha, it was able to form the government at the centre with the help and support of some other parties. At present, they are the leader of the United Progressive Alliance government from 2004 to 2014. The main policies and programs of the United Progressive Alliance is upholding democracy, socialism and secularism, representation of workers in the management of industries, removal of poverty and unemployment, promotion of mixed economy with more and more emphasis on public sector economy, equal opportunity to Dalits, backward classes and minorities based on religion and language in every field. Decentralization of power with greater emphasis on Panchayati Raj system. Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. NCP was formed in May 1999 following a split in the Congress Party. On the basis of its electoral performance, the Election Commission recognized it as a national party on January 11, 2000. It supports democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice and federalism. It believes that high offices in government should be confined to natural-born citizens of the country. They stand committed to the principles and values enshrined in the Constitution, especially those reflected in its preamble. These are secularism, democracy, equality, social justice, unity and integrity of the nation. Since 2004, they are the member of the United Progressive Alliance. Students, with this we finished with the national parties of India. Thank you.